Now, let's find the exact value by using a half-angle identity. Here we have a tangent 165 degrees. We know this value is very close to 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 15 degrees is going to be 165. But we know tangent has period 180 degrees. So this 180 degrees can disappear. What we get will just be tangent negative 15 degrees. And then tangent negative 15 degrees, tangent is an odd function, so negative sign goes out. And then inside is tangent 15 degrees, which is half of the 30 degrees. So we basically need to apply the half angle formula on this. If we remember the half angle formula, this can be done quite quickly. If we do not remember, no, if you remember tangent alpha over 2 equals that, that's half angle formula. You can just plug in the value. Here is 30 degrees, 30 degrees over 2. And here is 30, you plug in here. And here is 30, you plug in here. Right away, you get the answer. Sine 30 degrees is 1/2. Cosine 30 degrees is radical 3 over 2. So you then rationalize this expression. Everywhere multiplied by 2. Upstairs is 1. 1/2 times 2 is 1. Downstairs 2 times 1, that's 2. These 2 will be cancelled. You have a radical 3. Then rationalize this one by multiplying the conjugate of denominator, which is 2 minus radical 3, if here is plus. And upstairs is 2 minus radical 3, because you know numerator and denominator are the same, then it's actually 1. So this quantity multiplied by 1 is still this quantity. But, you know, here we use 2 minus radical 3. Here we use 2 minus radical 3 is to make our denominator be better. We know here is plus, here is minus. Eventually, radical will disappear because for your method, you have a 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. 2 times negative radical 3, that's outer product. Inner product is 2 times radical 3 positive. So you get 2 tens in the middle cancelled. And then radical 3 times negative radical 3, you have a negative radical 3 squared. And you know 2 squared is 4 minus radical 3 squared. That's 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. That's why we need conjugate. Okay, right here. Upstairs, you have a 1 times 2 minus radical 3. Okay? And then you distribute this negative sign to 2 and negative 3. You have a radical 3 minus 2. Negative 2 here. Negative comes to be positive. So this would be the answer. If you do not remember the half angle formula, tangent alpha over 2 equals that, you can derive it. Both numerator and denominator multiplied by the quantity here, 2 cosine alpha over 2. Upstairs, apply the double angle formula for sine. Downstairs is 2 times cosine alpha over 2 squared. And here we applied double angle formula for this. 2 cosine alpha over 2 squared is 1 plus cosine alpha. You put right here. That's tangent alpha over 2 equals this one. So if you know how to derive it, that's fine. You get that. All right. I'll see you next time.